In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to repair a puncture on an inflatable. To find and repair a puncture, you will need a microfiber cloth, a repair patch and a spray bottle containing water, and a small amount of washing up liquid. Firstly, inflate your inflatable. Next, spray the washing up liquid across the section of your inflatable that you believe to be punctured. Carefully look and listen for bubbling. Once you have found bubbling, wipe away the washing up liquid with a cloth. Ensure you do not lose where the puncture is. Next, deflate your inflatable. Make sure that the area is completely dry. Peel the patch away from its packaging and gently apply the patch. Try your best to remove any air bubbles under the patch so it is less likely to leak air. Allow 30 minutes before re-inflating the airbed. Your inflatable is now ready to use.